Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening your chosen alert channel and loading the recipient group. Do this now so you don't stall. Once done, paste the concise incident summary and add exact location coordinates. This is what responders need first. Make sure to tag priority. Use terms like high or SOS so automated filters act. You act fast, but check one quick detail. That backup contact is different from the primary and that notifications are enabled. Now you craft the body. State who is affected, what happened, exact where and when, keep sentences short. Once written, add a single clear instruction. Evacuate, shelter in place, or call emergency services, and use plain language so everyone understands. Make sure any attachments are small and load quickly. A photo or map link helps responders. Before sending, verify the recipient list and preview the message on mobile view. That prevents errors and reduces confusion. When ready, send the alert and watch delivery receipts. If the system supports read confirmations, monitor them for immediate feedback. Once sent, follow up with a short update message if the situation changes, and call any non-responsive critical contacts directly. If messages fail to deliver, switch channels quickly, make a phone call, post to a secure social channel, or contact local authorities. This redundancy saves time. Troubleshooting tip. If delivery fails, confirm network status and retry via an alternate channel.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.